welcome to my channel. This is Railay Beach, one of Thailand's most breathtaking coastal gems that's only accessible by boat. In this full walking tour, we'll explore every corner of Railay, from hidden beaches to epic cliffs, lush jungle paths, and sacred caves. Whether you're planning a day trip from Phra Nang or staying overnight, this video gives you everything you need to explore, like a local. First up, how to get here. We arrived on a 750 baht Longtail boat from Phra Nang V's, depart from the Phra Nang Beach Pier. Note, there are also speedboat tours that include Railay stops. We have a full video comparing both options, including 2025 price tips, which you can watch next. Now, let's explore. Our first stop, Railay East, where most of the Longtail boats arrive. There's a cool mangrove path that's great for an easy morning walk. Just past the pier, you'll find this stunning view of the turquoise waters and limestone cliffs. It's a 15-minute walk from the pier to Railay West Beach. The path is mostly flat and shaded, making it a nice stroll. As we walk, we'll pass several beach access points and rock climbing spots. The rock climbing here is world famous. If you're not into it, just be careful on the walking path, as there are many climbing routes nearby. Next up, we arrive at Railay West Beach. This is a spot to chill and watch the sunset. There are several restaurants serving up Thai food and drinks with prime views over the water. We grabbed a $3.50 whole deal, which was ice cold and really refreshing. From the beach, you can also explore the famous Phra Nang Cave Beach, also known as Princess Cave. Legend has it that a princess once hid from her pursuers in this cave. As we walk towards the cave, we'll see locals and tourists paying respect to the fertility statue. Many come to pray for good fortune and happiness. Next up, our favorite part of the hike, the secret trail to the Viewpoint and Lagoon Hike. This isn't your average tourist trail. To get there, we walked back to Railay East, then turned left onto this path near the rock climbing gym. The Viewpoint offers panoramic vistas of the entire bay, and while we didn't see any monkeys on our visit, they are known to be in the area, so be sure to guard your snacks. The trail continues down to the lagoon. Keep in mind, accessing the lagoon is very steep and can be slippery, especially in the dry season. So it's not for the faint of heart, but the effort is worth it, as the lagoon is simply stunning. We took a dip in the refreshing waters and even spotted a cute kitten who was loving the sun. If you have time, be sure to explore the nearby beaches and rock formations. We found a quiet corner and enjoyed the blissful surroundings. Now it's time to head back. We took the same route back, stopping for a $1.50 coconut at this cute beach bar. And that's it for our walking tour of Railay. This place is truly magical, and we hope you enjoyed exploring it with us. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more epic adventures. See you next time.